Hello everyone. Today let us see how to prepare tasty and yummy baby corn wet. Yes, most of us we prefer having these Manchurians or wet gravies at restaurants. That too, we love to have these in Chinese style. But trust me, if you follow these simple tips and tricks which I tell you, you can just replicate the same as restaurant at your home itself. You can just serve this yummy and healthy dish to your loved ones and serve with parathas or fried rice, or you can have the bowl directly itself. So while let us start. Here I have taken diced capsicum and onion. You can take one large capsicum and just cut it into cubes, and also one large onion and you can cut it into cubes, and also you can cut into half the baby corn. So take another bowl and add one full glass of water. See, I have taken one full glass of water here, and then add all the chopped baby corns pieces into the water. So after adding it, you will check the water is enough for the baby corns to boil. So once the boil has started, you put it on the stove and start boiling, and add some salt and allow it to boil for 3 to 4 minutes. On the other hand, take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and add all the diced capsicum and onion into it and give it a quick stir. After that, take 2 long chilies and slit vertically and then add it into the veggies. And then here I have taken carrot and I have peeled them into ribbon shape like this, and then I have added those also into the veggies along with capsicum, onion and chilies. If you want to have more spicier, you can add more chilies to this dish. Otherwise, 2 chilies are enough. So after 3 to 4 minutes of boiling, you can sieve all or strain all the water and then add the baby corns also. Do not overcook baby corn, otherwise they'll be overcooked and they'll become a paste like consistency. So here, after adding salt to taste, just give it a nice stir, and then once all the veggies are sauteed nicely, do not fry, sauteed. Take ketchup or tomato sauce. Here I have taken 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, and after adding the tomato sauce, give it a nice stir. And then chili sauce. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and again, those who love to have more spicier, you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of chili sauce too. So after adding chili sauce, again give it a nice stir. See that vegetables are coated nicely with tomato sauce and chili sauce. And then in the last, add soya sauce. That is just 1 tablespoon or 3/4 tablespoon is also enough for this. Do not add more of the soya sauce. Okay. So after sorting it nicely, add just half a cup of water and give it a nice stir. See that the water should not be more, and again after adding half a cup, again add just 1/4 cup of water. That is altogether 3/4 cup of water to these veggies. See, once it gets a boil, take another bowl and add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida and add 2 tablespoons of water into it and start stirring it nicely. See that no lumps are there in this mixture. It should be slurry like this. Do not add more water. Again add 2 tablespoons of water, and see, this will be the consistency. Add little by little. Do not add all at a time. So after adding a little bit, give it a nice stir, and again add the remaining all-purpose flour paste into this. See, once you stir it nicely, you can just check the consistency and again add the remaining and also give it a nice stir. So after 1 minute of boiling like this, see, your gravy consistency should be like this. It should not be pouring consistency like water, but see, so like the thick consistency and transparent. That's it. Turn off the flame and serve it hot to your loved ones with parathas or fried rice, or you can directly have this bowl of healthy baby corn gravy itself. So this is so easy and so healthy also. Please do give it a try. It just takes 10 to 12 minutes of cooking and you can enjoy a nice meal. So thank you. Bye bye.